Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Shelby, how goes your day?
It's going great, Jason.
That doesn't convince me.
Well, you've asked
What's a
me this a
brush?
few times now, so.
What's a brush?
It's still going great. It was great 20 minutes ago. It's still great.
Okay.
And I'm letting the cat out of the bag.
Yeah.
You asked me that 20 minutes
So
ago.
now the next time, if I don't ask you how your day is,
I'm gonna be really offended.
yeah. See what I'm getting at here, people?
Lose-lose. It's a lose-lose
It's a
situation.
lose-lose. But guess what's not a lose-lose? It's an actual win-win, a double win-win.
Oh, what?
Hitting that subscribe button and then popping over to Patreon and
I don't like how he does
joining
that.
up, right?
I mean, literally, though, why wouldn't you?
That was
Just hit the dang
seamless.
button.
You would think that I had a teleprompter, which I don't.
It's easy to do.
Like-
It's easy to click that button.
Click it, and click it. Yeah, follow us on all the things. Share it with your friends. We love doing this. We got a great video for you today, I think. We don't know this artist.
We say
We don't-
that.
Yep.
I'm sure it's great.
We think it's great.
Because it's the Wish Bus.
It's the Wish Bus, and we love some Wish Bus.
always a good time.
So, shall we do it? This is Sue Ramirez.
Ramirez?
Singing, thank you.
Usually I feel like I'm the one who misses that.
Singing Your Love on Wish Bus 107.5.
She's so cute.
She's so cute.
My gosh, how old is she?
Yeah.
She looks like our high school nanny.
She's probably 48.
She's adorable.
She's so cute. Her ponytails.
Her little French braids.
Wish.
There it was.
107.5.
I was waiting for it.
You're the one who never lets me sleep. Tune down to my soul, you touched my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy.
Tasteful.
I'm all alone without you. My days are dark without a glimpse of you.
I'm getting excited about where this is
You
going.
came to my
I don't know this song, do
I
you?
don't either, no.
complete.
Isn't it a cover?
Yeah.
Flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see.
I think it said it was. I honestly, I don't know. Oh yeah, Covers Your Love.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I'll feel the warmth inside.
It's very pretty.
Ooh, that's nice.
Love is like a river and that flows down through my veins. The
tone's beautiful.
Inside. Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true, but in my heart, the reality is you. I am all alone without you. Days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. Flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside.
The tone is really, really lovely.
It really is.
Love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
She has like clean texture. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, it's. I've been trying to distinguish that, but that's the best way to put it.
Yeah.
Your
it's also like I'm sitting here, I can't think of another tone like hers. Like no one's coming to mind right away. Like she sounds like them. That's cool and rare.
Yeah.
Wishclusive. Wish.
Ooh, a
Kinda funny there.
wish-clusive.
Wishclusive.
I've never heard him say that. Wish-clusive.
She's so cute.
So lovely.
She really is. And I
Everything
don't mean
about
that
it.
like.
No, it's not condescending at all.
I really don't mean it that way.
No.
But she's got to be really young. I'd like to know.
I
Carlos,
guess.
find out how old Sue Ramirez is. Wikipedia that. Siri.
27.
I wonder when this was. When was this video? Let's see how long ago this was.
I think it was
7 years ago. Okay. Dang, 7 years ago.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit, and I would
Yeah.
be interested now to hear what her voice sounds like present day. Back to Sue. I'd like to hear what she sounds like now because
Who's Sue? Oh, Sue.
this is Sue.
I forgot her name was
Because I
Sue.
feel like there'd be an even more complex version of what we just heard now in her late 20s, because I'm sure she's aging like a fine wine.
Oh, you know she is.
And it was like clean texture. Do you know what I mean?
Totally. Her vibrato was, I thought
Very
this
classy.
too, very classy and a lot of it. And that's typically not warranted or even okay, but hers was so tasteful and I loved it. It
Yeah,
didn't
she was
bother me at
not
all.
doing too much at all.
No.
It was just a really classy performance, and I was still pretty engaged the whole time. You know,
Yeah.
like your love is like da da da. I loved that.
Me
I thought
too,
it
and I
was-
love that it didn't go crazy because I
It
kept
was
thinking it
a
was
simple,
going to.
yeah, especially on a simple melody, a simple
It
song.
held me right here and cuddled and coddled me
Aw.
in complete cuteness. That's what that just did, and I love it.
I enjoyed it.
I have a thought
What is it?
as
What
we
is a
wrap this
fly?
up.
You have a fly.
You
in
got to
here.
follow my lead here.
Okay.
Her name's Sue, and she's cute as can be.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to know, in the Johnny Cash song, A Boy Named Sue, if the boy Sue is cuter than the girl Sue.
We're back to the peacock again.
How did my mind go there? I don't know.
Because it does. That's just. How does your mind go anywhere in these videos? It's like a special version of Jason.
Well,
on
from the
camera.
boy Sue to the girl Sue, I am Jason, and she is way prettier than me. You all can see that.
Sue.
You.
Oh, thanks.
You, Sue.
You're really pretty,
Sue
too.
you. Don't sue me. Hey, I don't know. We are digressing fast. Till the next time, I'm Jason Catrone, and this is my most lovely cohort and co-host.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.